Hello and Assalamualaikum Madam Jack. My name is Muhammad Syukranya Bejabsari and I'm from Session 1 online class. Today I will present my multiple intelligence. So I will start with my part 3, which is basically is a bar graph. The bar graph show my top 3 and my bottom 3 of learning styles. My top 3 of learning style is Section 6 kinesthetic, Section 8 interpersonal and Section 7 verbal. While my bottom 3 of learning style is Section 2 musical, Section 3 logical and Section 9 visual. Moving on to my pie chart. The highest percentage in my pie chart is kinesthetic, followed by intrapersonal and verbal, while my lowest percentage is logical, musical, visual. Moving on to the question. Question 1 and 2 I will not explain because I as already explained in the bar graph part and the pie chart part. So I will continue to the next question. The question is, do you see a pattern in group analytic, interactive, introspective that they fit into? Yes, I can see that my learning style fit into interactive group. Next, what do you think that your learning style tells you about the career you might get into? I think that my learning style show me that my career might get into sports. It is because my top one of learning style is kinesthetic, which is more to sport a healthy life. It means my career might be an athlete. Add on, be healthy is so important to me. I also think that my career might get into writing, such as becoming a book or novel writer. It is because I have a big interest in writing and learning various language. I have also felt that my career might being a lawyer because a lawyer must good in arguing cases, negotiating deals and writing contracts. Lawyer also must have exceptional skill which it is appropriate with my learning style. That's all for my presentation. Thank you, Madam Jack.